Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm TJ, creator of TJ's Magic Touch, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get glitter text in Photoshop. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's hop right into it. For the size of the document for today's video, it does not really matter since I am showing you more of a concept or technique instead of an actual template design. So I'm just setting this workspace up big enough so that you can see on the screen what I am doing. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more by holding Alt and my scroll key on the mouse. And here is method 1 for glitter text. You're going to click on your text tool. For this, I'm going to choose kind of a chunkier text so that you can see it really well on the screen. And now I'm going to select my move tool in order to make the text big enough again so that you can see everything that I am doing. Now for method 1, I will be utilizing the drag and drop method. So I will be taking my digital glitter paper from my folder. I will be dragging it into my workspace. I will place it and then I will do a clipping mask over the text. Now with our digital paper on the screen, we're going to adjust it so that it covers all of the letters in the text layer. If you were to just create the clipping mask right now, everything that is not covered will not have the glitter design on it. So that's one of the downsides of creating a clipping mask, but it does work. So you will go to layer and create clipping mask. Now you have your instant glitter text. If you move the paper or if you move the text, however, without merging the layers, then you'll be able to see that it was a clipping mask. Now we're going to move on to method 2, which is a pattern overlay. But in order to get that, we have to first create the pattern. So we're going to take our digital paper, drag it from our folder directly into our workspace in order to open up a new document. Now with our digital paper right here, we're going to go to edit and define pattern. Once we define the pattern, we're going to name it. After we name it, we're going to click OK and exit out of this because we'll no longer need it. So now we are back to our text. We're going to click on our FX button and we're going to click on pattern overlay. And this will bring up the pattern that we just created. Now one thing I like about pattern overlay is the fact that you can change the size of the glitter this way. You could not maneuver the glitter with the clipping mask method, but it is a method that works. With the pattern overlay, you can make the glitter as big or as small as you want it. Okay, now Control Z to undo. We're going to go into method 3. Now method 3 is more so for the beginner who likes to challenge themselves and also likes to have things I guess that nobody else has. So for this method, you're going to have to start with a lighter color font. So we're going to go over to our color picker and we're going to start with a yellow orangey kind of color. This method does work with darker colors. It just looks better with lighter colors when you're trying to go for a glitter effect. So this particular method, I'm really not sure what to call it, but it does get the job done. Now that we have our color selected, we're going to go through the steps to make it a glitter effect. So we're going to go to filter. Once we select filter, we're going to scroll down to where it says noise and then click on add noise. Now this is one time we're going to convert to smart objects. We are not going to rasterize. I will show you why in just a moment. So once we create our smart object, you'll see the noise that has been added to the text. You want to manipulate it so that it looks almost glitter-esque. Usually for me, I find between 20 and 30% works. We're going to leave it on uniform and monochromatic and click OK. Now we're going to go to filter again, but this time we're going to go down to pixelate. After we go to pixelate, we're going to go to crystallize. This actually gives us the glitter flakes. For this step, I like to stay kinda in between 3, 10. I guess it depends on what size you want. Now we have our actual glitter effect. From here, you can go over to where you will adjust your brightness and contrast, and you can make this as bright or as dark as you want. I really like using this method because it allows you to create custom glitter effects to match whatever it is that you're working on. So now I'm going to show you how to change the color. You're going to click into that smart object that we created. You're going to go over to our color picker, and then you'll pick the next color that you want. After you find the color that you like, you'll click OK. And you'll go to file and save. Because this is a smart object, whatever you save on this screen automatically changes what happens in your other screen. So now you have a pink glitter effect that is the same size glitter and the same sparkle that you want without necessarily having to change all of the elements together. I'm going to show it to you a couple of more times so you can kind of get a feel for it, but I need you to do me a favor. In the comments, I need you to let me know which method you prefer, 1, 2, or 3. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below again which of the methods you prefer. Don't forget to share this video because sharing is caring. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.